I had a question asked if I would make a video on how to make a chevron pattern or a zigzag. And it's pretty simple to do. Just grab your Bezier pen, left click on your canvas, hold Control, and draw out a line. Left click again and hit Enter. You can double click here, but sometimes your mouse will move and then your line's not going to be straight. So I always just hit Enter when I'm doing this type of thing. All right, so then we're going to open Fill and Stroke, go to Stroke Style, and change that to about a 15 or 20 pixel wide stroke, okay? Now we need to turn this into a path. So we will select it with our selection arrow and go to Path, Stroke to Path. Not Object to Path, Stroke to Path. Now if I choose my node editor, you'll see that I have nodes that I can manipulate. All right, so now in my node editing tool, I'm going to select all of those nodes and I'm going to hit this plus sign right above my selection arrow. And that's going to insert nodes in between all the others. So here's one node in between these two. Here's one in between these two bottom ones. And then here's one in between the sides. Okay. So with them still all selected, I will continue to hit plus until I think I have enough for my pattern. And then what I'll do is I will left click on the canvas somewhere. I'm still in my node editing tool. And I will left click and drag over these two, hold Control so that it goes straight up and pull it upwards. Now you can grab a guide, just left click in these numbers here and pull down a guide, and you can place that right even with the sides of that diamond. Of course, my mouse isn't going to cooperate. I got a new mouse recently and I kind of hate it. But anyway, all right. So then what you're going to do is skip the next set, left click over the next set and pull those up. Okay, skip that one. Left click, hold Control, pull up. Skip that one. Left click, select, Control, pull up. And there's your zigzag. Now you can hover over your guide so you get your little hand and hit delete. And then there's your pattern. If you go to View, Display Mode, Outline, that will show you what your cutter is going to cut, the lines, okay? And that's how you make a chevron. It's that easy. All right? If you want to actually make a bunch of them, like a square pattern of chevrons, just right click and duplicate, hold Control and pull them down. And then you can select both of those, right click, duplicate, hold Control, pull those down, select all of them again, right click, duplicate, hold Control, pull them down. And then what you can do is select all of them, open your Align and Distribute, and then you can distribute those evenly, the gaps, with this button here, okay? And then what you're going to want to do is select all of them and go to Path Union, and that makes that one, and you can use that for several things. All right, so that's how you do it. I hope that's been helpful. Thanks for watching.